Hello guys. So in this video I will be explaining you how you can make a drill press. You can see I have this 775 DC motor and I will be using a drill using salvaging the 24 volt output of this old printer that I have. So over here you can see this printer has this power adapter which is having 24 volt output. You can see here it is mentioned that the output is 24 volt and 1 ampere uh, output current features. Now I will be salvaging this part and will show you. So I have salvaged that power adapter from the printer, you can see here, and here you can see I have 3 pins coming out as an input. You can see here 1, 2 and 3 wires, and on the another side I have this power input. And since I do not have that power cable, so I am using some kind of a jugaad, like cutting this small maybe plastic or silicone tubes that is commonly available in some spray cans. So I have taken out that part and fix those 2 wires somehow inside this thing. Now so let's on the power, and I let me grab my multimeter and check. Okay, it's in DC mode and there goes the power supply. Okay, wait. Now okay, first let me check and then I will uh, okay, so 8 volt, and here to here we are having 8 volt. Let us test. So we are getting only 8 volts. 8 volt. uh, 8 volt, but why? 8.3. That's plus and this is minus, so um this is also 8 volts. What does it mean? Only 8 volt? Like if I place my multimeter to first pin and like this, then I get 8.1 volt. Okay, but I learned if I make a short connection between this first pin and second pin, then I should get 24 volt. So let me test and see if it is true or not. Yeah, you can see I am getting 24 volt. So hello, so I have um, just for testing purpose I have connected those wires. You can see because I don't have those connectors, pin headers. This pin headers having pitch of 2.54 millimeter, and which is little bit bigger than this, the pitch of these connectors. So I decided to use some jumper cables, and you can see here, I'm sorry for um, this I mean messy. Over here you can see this is the connection here, and if I, okay, if I, where is the, yeah, you can see when I connect this, yeah, good, the plus, you see, my motor is running smoothly. Now I have this kind of drill bits. Okay, you can see this is having 0.8 0.8 mm diameter drill bits. So I'm going to tight this, and let's make a hole in a copper clet. And it becomes so hot. Hmm. It works. It works, guys. You can see I made a hole here. Okay, I think it is little bit powerful. All I need now a PWM control circuit, so I can control the speed of this DC motor. But yeah, I will design that. Maybe I will design that using the cheaper option would be to use 555 timer IC. Okay, I will be creating the variable, I mean the square wave, and I will be using one potentiometer, and using that potentiometer I can vary the pulse width or the AC signal basically, and that will turn on and off one MOSFET. Or yeah, okay, I can use MOSFET, or yeah, I have so many MOSFETs available, so I will be using one. And and yeah, then my this this project is done. Maybe then I can design, I can fabricate my PCBs to make some projects. So see, I will be, we'll see you guys in next video. Bye bye.